What up, snackies? Welcome back, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's popping? So I come for you guys today with a good old crawfish boil. Okay, this was cooked in Florida boil, and then I also have some boom sauce that I picked up from Crafty Crab. But y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. We finna go ahead and snack. And I also have some regular garlic butter back here that I got from them as well, that I'll probably dip some of my stuff in. We're gonna see. I should put some of that fire sauce on it, huh? Put a little bit of this fire sauce on it. Does this taste so? Somebody dog upset. This one is way thicker than the 2 times spicy, but it's just fire. Put a little butter on that. Somebody's dog ain't happy outside. They're killing my video flow. I'm gonna need them to get their dog together. So y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? These y'all, oh my gosh, the juice coming out of these bad boys. So I had called around to some of the other seafood markets, because y'all know I get like fresh Dungeness crab, but from a seafood market, and a lot of you and y'all, they don't carry crawfish. So I was like, oh Shell, I want some crawfish. So let me try to, y'all can see all of that, right? Hold on, I need some napkins. I don't got my other napkins, y'all. I ran out of the big roll. They be ready. You know, you just grab one and keep it going. Y'all gotta get some food in me first. Let me get a little full. I ain't ate nothing real all day. So I'm gonna eat another potato. That one ain't hardly have no juice in it. What's going on? Get some of this butter down here. Ooh. That one broke in half. I'm sorry, y'all. For the stock pop. So let me tell you something. What you can do, ooh. Y'all know some of these restaurants, ooh, spit. Some of these restaurants be steaming they seafood, and it's like the only way. Y'all heard that? And sometimes it's like the only way you can get seafood. But what you can do is if they don't have a boil option, because y'all, you could just take it home, let them steam it, but soak it in some seasoned water. You can reboil it again too. Just don't overcook it, you know. That's all. Cause these normally I be getting my crawfish from, ooh, that broke. From Crafty Crowd in Fort Lauderdale, and only thing they do is steam. They crawfish, should I say. So I was like, next time. The only downside about that though is you not paying market price for the crawfish. If you do it that way. I know a lot of people also say Walmart sell crawfish, like the frozen ones. Don't cook. If you're gonna get your fish from, your crawfish from Walmart, please cook it in some seasoned water. These slide right out. Y'all, that Florida boil is so good. Get some corn. I feel like I'm about to sneeze. So y'all, I was so torn. Like, I did not know what to eat before filming this. I was thinking about doing some chicken and waffles, and I was like, do y'all even want to see me eat chicken and waffles? And then I was like, you know what? Go get your crawfish, girl. So y'all, on Friday, I'm gonna have I'm gonna have a master seafood boil for my 10K celebration. I am gonna be having a giveaway. I do not know what I'm gonna do yet, so don't ask me. I don't know. I don't know yet. Y'all, that fire sauce is so good. I don't know why I did that like that. I could tell they ain't really had no juice in it. It was too light. And y'all, just like, oh, like I was saying, I got so sidetracked. I'm gonna be having a giveaway. I do not know yet. Dang. What the giveaway gonna be? It's gonna be simple though. I can't tell you that. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy. I think my first giveaway was at 1,000 subbies, aka Snackiessss. Oh wow. Oh y'all, I put some Scotch bonnet pepper in my water too. Y'all, man, oh man, oh man. That. But my first giveaway was very simple. I was thinking about including like Instagram. I got this butter everywhere, y'all. But I know everybody don't have Instagram. But if you do have Instagram and you're not following me, what's good? So yo, $10K giveaway coming soon. Oh, last time it was a cash out. That's what the prize was. Y'all, it's just juicy. So you can't get this if you don't boil it. That's why sometimes if y'all see me doing a boil for a crafty crab, normally, and y'all won't see me sucking the head, it's pointless. Cause they don't they steam it. And this be like, oh, you got to suck the head. Ma'am, trust me. I know. Okay. It don't be worth it though. If it ain't no juice. So y'all give me some ideas down there below on what y'all think I should do for how people will be entering the giveaway. Now I ain't say give me ideas on what the giveaway gonna be. It's starting to get full. Potato. And this is my first meal of the day. And these things are juicy. Let me go all the way down my wrist. Alright, let me get a little sip. Y'all ain't seen this cup in a while. What up, Snackies? You just so jealous. I forgot. This old big sucker. Y'all see how big that is? Oh, big daddy. Y'all know why I'm full? All this juice in these things. Do y'all see how big this crawfish is? Girl. You know what I just thought about? Y'all watch the Batty Twins? It was hilarious watching them trying to eat crawfish. But I was surprised that they actually pronounced it crawfish instead of crayfish, considering that they Jamaican. Cause Mike will not call it crawfish for nothing. But it'd be like crayfish. But you know what? They from Kingston. They from the city part. They look dry. Mike from the country. Whoa, dang, this was good. I don't want to hold y'all for too long though. Yeah, I know I be trying to make it 20 minutes, no more than 23. Cause we ain't got time for that. I just started thinking about one of my new clients, y'all. Chill. Y'all, we really be going through it as a therapist. As mental health professionals, like, we really be going through it. But we're gonna go ahead and start closing out this video, y'all. Hold up. Excuse me. Oh, that juice dripping. So y'all, be who you are, be beautiful. Shouts out to our post notification bell person. Shouts out to you, boo. Take care of yourself, because self-care matters. And until the next video, peace.